Good morning, student. Today we are going to just revise very shortly that over subscription. Okay, beta? We are going to revise over subscription in share. Before the starting of this over subscription, first I like to explain what is the meaning of over subscription in this concept of issue of share. In this concept of issue of share, what is over subscription? Okay, beta, what is over subscription? Over subscription means if you are issued 100 share, 1000 share, but you are receive application for 1200 share, that is called over subscription. Okay, beta, that is called over subscription. I think it's well clear. Meaning of over subscription means how much share you are going to issue if the application will receive more than of the issue of the share, that is called over subscription. As like that, you are going to issue only 10 share. Okay, beta? But 3 person may be A, B, C. 3 are coming. They want 4, 4 and 5 share. Then just think about that, only 3 person is coming and they want 4, 4 and 5. Then 4, 4 and 5, total amount is 13. It means total application will come for the 13 beta. Okay? But we have only 10. So this is what? This is called over subscription. And the way by which we are going to adjust this over subscription money, because when he want 4 share and we are only giving 3 share, so 1 share is remaining, 1 share into application money. It's extra money we have. Here we are going to give the 3 share, again 1 share into application, advance money are extra. Here we are going to give the 4, okay, then 1 share again, 1 share into application. But okay, these are what? These are the advance. Two way to adjusting this advance. One, we are going to pay back the money. We are going to pay back the money, and second, we are going to adjust this money for the next calls, because the company well known after the application they will call allotment, and on the time of allotment they try to adjust this extra money. Okay, beta? So that company, many companies utilizing of these things, only return the money of share which share is not issued of any person, or you say any shareholders. That share only we are going to reject and pay back the money of that shareholders. Okay, beta? Okay. Now I am going to explain how we are going to adjust this application money. The way of just adjusting of this application money, as like that, just think you are issuing 10,000 share and application, allotment, first call and other cost is there. 3 rupees, 2 rupees, 1 rupees, like that. Okay, beta? 3 rupees, 2 rupees, 1 rupees, like that. Then 1000 share, but you are going to receive 12,000 share application. Then we are start with the 12,000 rupees, 12,000 share, because we are receiving 12,000 share, beta. We are receiving 12,000 share. So we are going to start with the 12,000 share. Okay, beta? Means first we are receiving the money for 12,000 share, 12 into 3, 36,000. But now we are going to know about the advance or extra money. How much extra money we are receiving? Only we are issuing 10,000. So 2,000 is the 10,000 into 3, 30,000 needed. it means 2000 share extra and 6000 rupees you have extra. You have means company have the extra money of 6000 on the share of 2000. Okay, beta? On the share of 2000 they are received 6000 rupees. Clear? Clear? This way we are trying to know about the advance money, extra money, because that extra money we are trying to adjust with the allotment. On the time of calling the allotment, as a 10,000 we needed 20,000, we have 6,000 already, so then less this 6,000, then we needed only 14,000, and this 14,000 we are going to ask to the public, and public, our shareholder, will give this 14,000. It's clear, beta? On this way we are going to adjust the over subscription. Okay, beta? On this way we are going to adjust the over subscription, or you say the case of over subscription, we are adjusting like that. Clear? In this case again, first we are receiving 12,000 share, 12,000 into 3, we are receiving 36,000 rupees, but we have only 10,000, we are issuing 10,000 share, so 10,000 into 3, 30,000 needed, the extra money is 6,000, 2,000 share is there, if one more case is there, 500 share rejected, it means when you are going to reject the share, it means sure and certain you will back that money. Okay? So 500 into 3, 1500 back, to only we have 4500, and then this 4500 will go for the adjustment of allotment. Okay, beta? That 4500 we are going to adjust in allotment on the time of adjustment. Okay? Clear? Now I am going to set the things is given in the question. Take one question, and on the basis of that I will going to explain how we are going to do the entries. Okay, beta? These things only I am going to explain for make you all understand how to adjust the allotment over subscription, or how to show that over subscription. Okay, beta? Just think like we are going to issue 5,000 share but received 8,000. Okay, beta? But received 8,000, and application allotment first and second call 2.50, 2.50, and ₹3, 2 rupees. Just think like that. We are receiving 8,000. Okay, beta? We are receiving 8,000 and 1,000 back are cancelled, not giving the any shares. Then how we are going to start? We will start with the 8,000, because 8,000 we are receiving, 8,000 into 2.5. What amount is coming, beta? 20,000. But we have the number of shares is what, beta? 5,000. It means what amount we needed, beta? 12,500. Okay, beta? 12,500. 2.5 is there. Okay? Then 3,000 share extra and 7,500 we have extra. Okay? 1,000 rejected. 1,000 reject means 2,500. 1,000 into 2.5, 2,500. It means we are remaining on 2,000 share 5,000 rupees. 2,000 share 5,000 rupees. Then go for the allotment. Now go for this because 5,000 we are issued. Again we needed 12,500, but we have 5,000. Then adjust and less this amount will receive. Now I am going to explain how we are going to do the entry for this type of case. How we are going to do the entry for this type of case, beta? Start with the receiving amount, then bank account debit to share application. Okay, beta? this amount 20,000. Okay, then next, share application account debit, we are receiving 20,000 beta. To share capital, we needed 1,200,500, 12,500, and rejected. So then bank, when we are receiving, then bank is debit, paying, then bank is credit. 2,500 and 2 allotment, that is going amount of next in allotment. On this way we are going to do the entry beta. Okay, on this way we are going to do the entry, and on the time of allotment, share allotment account debit to share capital. Okay, then bank account debit to share allotment. Okay beta, 125,000, 12500, but we are receiving only 7,500, 7,500. On this way we are going to do the entry beta. Okay, on this way, this is the way by which we are going to do the entry. Clear? This oversubscription is clear or not? How to adjust the money? It's clear? Okay, just see one more. That question is given in your book. I am going to take that question. And the question is, limited company issued 2 lakh share, and that is oversubscribed by 80,000, and 1 lakh shareholder issued only 30%. Okay beta, 1 lakh shareholder issued only 30%. Application, allotment, first and second. Okay beta, in application 4 rupees, allotment 6, 3 plus 3, it's 5, 3 plus 2. Okay, on this way, and we are receiving the application 10,000 rejected also. Okay beta, this question I have remembered, then so I will going to explain this question only. Okay, then 10,000 rejected. Now we are going to start with the subscribe, because subscribe 2,80,000, 2,80,000 beta, because 2 lakh share we are issuing, and then 80,000 more, 2,80,000 into 4, 11,20,000. Okay, but we are issuing only 2 lakh share beta. So 2 into 4, only 8 lakh needed, but 80,000 share extra and 3,20,000 money extra we have. Okay beta, 8 lakh share, 80,000 share and 3,20,000 rupees. 10,000 share rejected. So 10 into 4, 40,000, 2,80,000 share, or money on 70,000 share. Okay. Now one adjustment is there. 1 lakh shareholder only give the 30%. It means 30,000 share. Okay, beta. Then on the basis of that, just see the difference, 70,000. This difference amount, this amount is for this 30,000 share. Maybe that person is A. Just think like that. Now we are going to adjust that amount. We start with this 2 lakh, 6 lakh and 6 lakh. Total 12 lakh. Okay, beta. We needed 12 lakh. Now if the case is pro rata case is there, then all the amount we are going to adjust in the allotment. But here 1,30,000, one trick is there. If the subscribed and issue share difference are more than 2 times, then sure and certain that amount will go on the mode of allotment. After allotment, that amount will go to adjust. Okay, beta? Then the 30,000 share you are going to issue. So 30,000 into 6, we needed 1,80,000, but we have 2,80,000. So then, what amount we needed on that place? That only that amount we are going to adjust, beta. So we needed 180, so we are going to adjust only 180. Less from here, 10,20,000 less from here, because that amount is adjusted. Then remaining amount is 1 lakh. Okay, go for the next. And next case, 2 lakh into 3, 6 lakh, 4 lakh. Total is 10 lakh. Now again check. 30,000 into 5, 1,50,000 we needed. 1,50,000 we needed, only we have 1 lakh. So we are going to less the 1 lakh, adjust the 1 lakh only. The amount is coming 9 lakh. Okay, just see how to entry. First is bank account debit to share application. Just take the upside amount. 11,20,000. Then share application account debit to share capital to share allotment to call in advance and to bank, because Bobert Singh is going share allotment, share application, it's on share allotment, it's on first call, that is called, and that amount is back in bank. 1,12,000, 4 times 0, 8 lakh needed in share capital, 1,80,000 in allotment, 1 lakh in call, and 40,000 in where? In first call. Go further. This share allotment account debit to share capital to security premium. That security premium and capital 6 lakh and 6 lakh, total amount is 12 lakh. Then bank to share allotment, only take the downside amount, 10,20,000, 10,20,000. Then first call, share first call account debit to share capital to security premium. Security premium 4 lakh, it's a 6 lakh, total 10 lakh. But then bank account debit to share first call, the remaining amount 9 lakh, 9 lakh only the transfer. Okay, beta? Clear how to do that, how to treat the over subscription or not? Clear na? Okay, thank you.